4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey kids, how are you all? So today we are here with an interesting topic, that is divisibility rule. So let's get started. So before going for the divisibility rule, let's understand what does division means. So division means dividing a set of number into equal parts. That means any number, if we divide that number, we should get a 0 as a remainder. Okay, so let's understand division by solving an example. Now here is a number 28 divided by 2. So let's divide it. 2 ones are 2, 0. Now 8 comes down. 2 4s is 8. So here we got the remainder 0 and the question is 14. So division means any number, if we divide it, we should get 0 as a remainder. So for divisibility rule of 2, a number which contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the units place. So it is divisible by 2. Let's see an example. So here is an example 2, 9, 3, 4, 7, 8. As we look at the number, we will just see the units place of a number. So here when we see a unit place, it has 8 in it. So 8 is divisible by 2. So yes, this number is divisible by 2. Now here we have a look for second example. It has 6, 3, 8, 4, 3, 1. Okay. When we see the number, by seeing the unit place, we will identify the number. It has 1 in the units place. So 1 is not divisible by 2. So here this number is not divisible by 2. Here 8, 1 and 1. So for this number it is yes, and for this number it is no. So for divisibility rule of 3, add the numbers and find if it goes in the table of 3 or not. So what we have to do, we have to add the number and then we have to find if the number goes in the table of 3 or not. So let's find it. Let's solve with an example. Here is an example. A number is 4302. Let's add the number. 4 plus 3 plus 0 plus 2. When we add the number, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the number is 9. So does 9 goes in the table of 3? Yes, it goes in the table of 3. So the answer is yes. Let's move on to another number, another example. The number is 1262. I said the number is 1262. Now let's add the number. So 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2. If we add the number, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So the number, so answer we got is 11. Does 11 goes in the table of 3? No, it does not go. So the answer is no. So for divisibility rule of 4, the last 2 digits of a number should be divisible by 4. So let's solve with an example. So here is an example. The number is 6829. Again I repeat, the number is 6829. When we look at the last 2 digits of a number, we see the number is 29. So does 29 goes in the table of 4? No, it does not go. So the answer is no. Similarly, when we look at the second number, the number is 4324. Again I repeat, the number is 4324. Let's see the last two digits of the number. So the last two digit is 24. So yes, it goes in the table of 4. 4 6 is 24. So the answer is yes. Understood? So for divisibility rule of 5, we should know the number should have 0 or 5 in the units place. So let's solve with an example. Here is an example. The number is 3068. Okay, again I repeat, the number is 3068. When we look at the unit place of this number, we find it has 8 in the unit place. So, when it has 8 in the unit place, by looking at the divisibility rule, it does not goes in the table of 5. So, the answer for this is no. Now, let's move on to another number. So, the number is 1320. Again, I repeat, the number is 1320. When we look at the unit place of this number, it has 0 in the unit place, right? So, it goes in the table of 5. So, the answer for this number is yes.
Hope I was able to make you understand. Students, this is the worksheet. You may take a screenshot of this worksheet and solve the problem. Answer me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.